Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show how to fix iPhone stuck on charging screen. Fix 1. Force restart your iPhone. Tap the volume up button, then tap the volume down button. Then, keep pressing the side button until the Apple logo appears. Okay, the iPhone restarts now. Fix to charge for a longer time. You should let the iPhone charge for more than 30 to 60 minutes so that it has the enough power to turn on. Fix 3. Repair the iOS with software. iSunshare iOS Repair Genius is the powerful iOS system repair software which can solve almost all iOS system issues in clicks. You can download it to fix the iPhone stuck issue. Open the software and click System Repair. Then select the standard mode option. OK, hit the Start button. Now connect your iPhone to the computer. Then put the iPhone into recovery mode. Hit the Next button to load device info. Your iPhone model is detected here. Click the Download button to download a firmware package. Well, now you can hit the Repair button. Finally, the iPhone is repaired successfully. You can see the iPhone restarts normally. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.